Yeah,
Yeah, thanks for confirming. Yeah, so now we'll go to the next one in the update function. Adding a null to the null index when we pass na. So what will it return? It does not updating anything and it simply return the whatever the data parameter we have passed, right? The data parameter only it was returning. So now this is very important, guys. Next one I will show you. See, so how many indexes we have? Nine indexes are there. So if I try to pass 10th index value, 10th index I am passing, and the value I am passing as a laptop, like that I'm passing 10th index value. So now what will happen? It won't update because there is no 10th, right? It will insert a 10th value. See, after gopi, here you can see ninth index is gopi. After gopi, the 10th index value got updated. So if you given 10, right? So if I given 100 index, so there is no 100th index in the local bank array, right? So what will it do? It will insert at 10 only. Oh no. See, it will insert at anyway, we can remove this null by rejecting. So yeah, it will insert it at the 100th index. So this is how if the index is available, it will update that index. If that index is not available, it will insert the value. It will insert the value at that index. That is what he was trying to explain here. See, appending an item to the list at an index larger than the length of the list. See, here nulls, and then sixth index got updated. So updating and appending multiple items in the list. So this is what we have seen, right? Okay, updating and appending multiple values into the list. This is also we have tried. Appending and updating multiple items at a See, empty array they have passed here. In this empty array, there is no values are there, but they are passing these indexes. What will it do? It will insert the values into that indexes and print the array, right? So this is what it is written. So guys, the next important topic we need to discuss about the maps. How to update the maps. See how they are updating the maps. The first example I will explain you guys. Simple basic example. So now I will take the single map here. Okay, there is a list of maps here. Start with the list single map here. Local bank, single map. In the single map, I will pass Rajesh index here. Okay. So now first I will show you the example for you guys. Sorry, whatever the value we have holding in the local bank list of map. So in the list of map, I want single map. Sorry, in the single map, I want to update the age to 25. Like that, I want to update. So what I need to do? So I'm use the update function. I'm going to use my update function. So in the update function, data parameter, I will pass local bank single map, and then I'm going to update the age. So here the index will be age. Text value I'm passing. Before that, what index I have passed here? Number of integers. Line number 23, you can see indexes I'm passing as a number integers. But in the list, in the map, the index I'm passing as a text value string because the values indicating index is age, right? So that's why I'm passing the text value. And what is I want to update here is 45, something like that. And we will print the same map with the updated value in the age column. See, same map I have written name, mobile number, but age got updated to the 45. So this is how we will update the single map. So this is what they are trying to explain here. See, in this map, they want to update the A key. Key is A here. A key value they were trying to update. So they have successfully updated and printed the map. So updating the multiple values across the list of maps. So now we will come to our scenario. List of maps, we have already defined the list of maps. Here we have, see, list of map is there in the list of maps. So all the ages are 30, right? So now we will update the age column with 45. So instead of single map here, I will pass the list of map here, list of map, and then I'm passing the key called age. So what will it do? It will update for 3 rows and it will print the expected output. See, length is 3. Cannot update list of maps using a scalar. So what they have did here, did here, yes. Key is single one, but values we need to pass multiple values, guys. Around three values we need to pass. See, for three rows, we need to pass three values for three different indexes. So then only it will allow us to update length 3 but values was 1. So now you can see for the key age, so three values, we whatever values we are going to update, those values got updated for the three maps, right? Same key and three values got updated. So now we what we will do, we will try to, along with the age, we will try to update the names as well, or else mobile numbers. It is easy for us to identify the names and then mobile numbers. So now I'm passing the second index here, and then execute it. Without passing the value, I will execute it. What will happen, we'll see. It will throw an error because of cannot update list of map two keys. Two keys, these are called as a keys. For the map, these are all called as a keys. This is the key and this is the value. So what map will do? Key value pairing they will do, right? So that's why the Appian saying as a this is the key. This is the index. We can call them as an index for this value as well. Key, the length of assign list assign value list 3 does not match with the length of list to update 2. So what I will need to do, I have to pass another array here. In the first array, I passing the ages. Now in this array, I have to pass the mobile numbers. Mobile numbers I am passing as a 001, 002, 003. Oh, no, it won't allow us to update. No, it won't allow us to update. Uh, let's go into the documentation then. Updating a multiple values in a single map. In single map, they are trying to update multiple values. So list of maps, we'll see guys. Mm, we'll remove this. Coming back to the single map. In single map, for the two keys, you can see age is there and mobile is there. For both the keys, I'm trying to update for the age 21, mobile number as 001. Now it will return the single map with the updated values. Yeah, single map with multiple values. Updated values, age 21 and mobile number. So yeah. So going back to the next example, update the same values.
Like, can you please go into the code once?
Yeah, sure. Yeah, single map
How
we
is
have updated.
the
Yeah.
Rajesh ones only? Why
Yeah,
he
single.
can't take Suresh?
You
Okay,
want
okay.
me to? Yeah, Rajesh index only. Yeah, we will look into that
Okay, you
chronology.
selected the single.
Single map, yes.
Yeah, yeah. Now I understand.
Okay. So now updating the same value with updating same values multiple times in a single map, inserting a new key. See here, so we have inserted a new value into the list of integers, right? So now they are inserting the key into the map. So now, so in our scenario, we have only three keys are there, name, age, mobile number. I want to add a new key called salary column. Like that, we will add salary. So for that salary, I am passing the value as 100. So now we can see the output with the updated key what added into the single key. See, along with the name, age, mobile, you can see salary key as well and the value. So this is how we will update the map with the new key. And inserting a key into the updated map, yes. So we have inserted a key into the updated map and inserting a multiple keys and values. This is what they are trying to update the dictionary, same like the map. And these are all the record field references. We will go through this once we completed the records and CDTs. So guys, do you observe me? So we are unable to update the multiple values uh, in a sorry, in list of maps, right? So when I try to update list of map, local bank, single maps we have successfully updated. List of maps as well for single value. For single value in the sense for the name, I want to update with the values called A, B. See, it is successfully updating. Four, 3, does not match the length of update. Update list map. List map we have three items. List map we have three items, and I have sent the name. Uh, cannot update list maps one key. Length of SN value list three. Length of SN. So we'll go back to the documentation. So we are not supposed to pass array, guys. I guess array we can't able to pass the array here. I guess. So when I remove the array here, see when I remove the array, it is working as expected. So that means array of multiple values we can't able to update in the list. So at a time we can able to update multiple values to the one key in the list of map. So I want you to understand that scenario itself. So now going back to the next function. So we are successfully completed these two. So now I will remove the filter here. So now, so we have seen the flatten, update, append. Append is nothing but guys. So you have the nine items right here. Here nine items are there. So you want to add a new item. So at that time, what it will do? It will append. Append a array. Here you need to pass only array only. It will accept. Okay. Here in the array, I will pass local bank array. In the local bank array, I want to insert 10101001. So now the updated value it will return with the 10th index value got appended to here. See, after Gopi 10101001 got appended. So if you want to append multiple values with the text as well, it will allow us to update. See, after Gopi, you can able to see 101 and then Harish. See, this is how we will append the values to the existing array by using the append function. And then index we have discussed. So this is insert, guys. Insert in the sense, so we have seen update, right? Update as well behaved sometime insert like only. So it is inserted a value at that particular index. Right. So index insert function, what will it do? So insert function, see, same parameters are there, but different positions. In update array, sorry, data, and then index, and then value will be there. But insert array, first we have the array. Array we need to pass. Array, what will be the array? We can't able to pass the map here, guys. We can able to pass only the array. Array only it will accept. So the value I will pass as a value I will pass. Uh, Pranali. Okay. Value I will pass Pranali. I want to insert at first index. I want to insert at first index. So in the 9 items array, so now the I will receive 10 items. So in the 10 items, first index was Pranali here. See, it is got successfully inserted Pranali into the uh, first index. So we'll try to insert multiple values. What will happen? Let's see. Uh, uh, mm,
In append, we can't give the indexing, right? Directly, it will populate at the last only.
Yeah, we are appending the existing value. I mean, we are adding a new
Mm.
values to the existing array. You mean appending in the sense already there is an array. You want to add some more values to that array. You got it. So the
Yes,
class
sir.
strength is 10 members. There is a new member got added, na. So we will append that new member into the existing class. Then the count of the class will be the 11. You got it. So like that we
Yeah,
will use
now
that.
means my doubt is when we want to update at particular index, we need to use this insert,
No,
right?
update. Every time you
Every
want to
time.
update particular index, you need to use update only. Okay. You don't go with the insert.
Okay.
Insert in the sense, if you want to insert a particular value to that particular position, then only we will use. So see, I have not used this insert function anywhere. You know, I
Okay.
have not used this insert function anywhere in my real-time project. I have used only index and where contains and update. So I
Okay.
mean, I have not got this scenario, but I'm explaining you to aware of it, right? You want to insert, you can insert this. Yeah, instead of insert, it is better to go with always update. Yeah, see, we
Okay.
have successfully inserted Pranali at first index and second index Venkat. So see, it is got received at third position, right? Why? Because of third position. So here second index is 200. 200 got replaced with Venkat and third index got replaced with 200. So like that. At a time we have inserted two values, right? So first position it will take, second position in the existing array it will insert before 200. Before 200 as well, 100 is there na. So that's why after Pranali 100 is come and then Venkat and 200. I know it will get confused for you. So when you practice now, you will get understand. Like first index got inserted with Pranali and second index got inserted with Venkat. But in between 1 and 2, we have 100 is there. So that's why 100 in middle Pranali and Venkat. 1 and 2 indexes, we have 100. So that's why in the input 100 also added in between. So now coming to the join array. So join array in the sense, so we have the sorry guys, we have the array here, right? So you want to join this array as a single string. String in the sense encoded with the double quotes. Okay. So now you can see in the join array, I will pass array as a local bank array. Okay. If I don't want to pass separator as well, I can't, I can avoid that as well. See, you can see this is not a mandatory. How do you know this is not a mandatory? It is not in a bold color, right? So if it is a bold, if it is a bold, then you can easily try, make a point that is a mandatory field. If it isn't a bold, then you can skip that parameter. See, so all the values got converted and joined in a encoded single string. See, join array converted this list of array items, all the items in the array into a single string. Okay, so if you want to add a separator, like you want to concat with the pipe symbol, you can join that entire array by the separator as well. So we have used this function, guys, in real time. How we will use this function in the sense, uh, there will be a multiple values by the user. Okay, uh, sorry. Yes, there will be multiple IDs that user will enter. So we will store all the IDs in the backend into the same column called IDs column. In that IDs column, we have used this semicolon and joined all the items and we have inserted. So whenever we are displaying in the front end, we will split with this semicolon, then we will get entire items what the user has entered. So this is how we will convert that entire list of IDs into a single string and then we have inserted successfully in the backend. So this is how we will join the array by using the join array function along with the separator. So L drop is nothing but, so if there is an array, guys, array and see array 10 comma 20 comma 30. If you want to drop the value from the left side, so you have pass one, right? So it will drop the value from the left side one. So we will check for the multiple values it will drop or not. Okay. Left side values got dropped. So if you want to drop left side values, you can use L drop. If you want to drop from the right side, you can use LR drop. See, it received only 20 comma 30. So array is not accepting 1 and 2 indexes values are not dropped. So if I remove 1, so it will give the same output only. Array only it is not accepting, guys. That is what I want you to clear. So R drop is also same, vice versa. See R drop in the sense 10 comma 20 comma 30 is there. he passed 1. So instead of before it returns 20, 30, right? So now it returns 10, comma 20. 30 got dropped from the array. Okay. So yeah, there is three more important functions are there, guys. Length, len, and count. Like that, we have three functions are there. So you need to know about the difference between length, len, count. So I will quickly give you the differences between the those three functions. Then we will move into the practical session. So length will identify the length of the array, excluding excluding in the sense they have not count the null values. Okay, count function we have. Count also return the length of the array, including null values. Including null values you want to count, then we will use the count function. Len function we having, guys. Len what will it do? Len returns the length of the string. Okay, number of characters. How can I say like this? Number of characters are there in the single string in the sense encoded with the double quotes, that is called single string. So this is the major highlights I can explain. So let's see, we have the array called 9 items, right? So you want to know that length, right? So whatever we need to use, I have to use the length function here. Length of local bang array, then I can receive count as a 9 here. See, 9 have received the count. So now I added the null values as well here. In middle as well, I will add a null value and I will show you the count of the array. Oh, local bank count of the array will be get 11 items. See, 11 items got added. So two null values are there. So same function I will execute. Length function I will execute and I will show you the count. Uh, it returns 11, right? Excluding null values. To include null values, use count. Nice. This is what it is behave, guys. Appian, sometimes count. They said one thing and the function will do another thing. So when you pass count of that array, it is also returned 11, right? See, return number of elements including null values, you can use count. So we'll check for the length function now. Length examples they have given. Null value elements in most of the cases, the function most of the cases, guys, not every time. This function does not count the null count elements. So it returns one, but what it returns two for us, right? So we will paste the same example here. So null comma 2. Now it returns 2 1 only, but here as well null value I don't know. Hmm. Local bang array. Okay, different type na, so that's why I guess different type na. So we'll take let's take numbers only. Okay, numbers. Let's take numbers only, 1 comma 2 comma 3 comma 4 comma 5 comma null comma null numbers. We will take numbers and then length. What will it return? It returned 4 only. In the numbers, we have 6 items. See, 6 items are there, but it returns only 4, right? Why? Because of this is the list of number integers, because this is list of variants. So it is not working for list of variants. It will work for the specific data type values only. So I will replace this with count. You will get the entire count. So these are the things, guys, you need to put in your mind. So how the function will behave for the list of variant, and how the function will behave for the normal typecasted values. See, now count will receive the sixth values. So now we will do for the len. Len function, what will it do? I have the string called pranali. So for that, what I have to use len, it will return, see that's output, it has the expected output, it will return 7. So 7, see, if you want to find the string characters count, len return the length in characters of the text. So we will use the len function. So these are the differences, highlighting for the differences between len and len count. In interview as well, they will ask you guys, okay? So remove function. So this is also one of the most and most important function. So because of see here, 11 items are there. Okay, 11 items are there. You want to remove 11th index value or 5th index value. Remove local bank array. See, array I am passing local bank array, and index they are asking, right? Index I will pass 13. 13th index is not there in the array. This function, what will it do? It will throw an error if the index is not there. See, expression evaluation error, the length is 11 only, but you are passing 13. How can I do this? This is how this is asking us. So what you need to do? You have to pass only the indexes which are available in the array only, guys. Other than this function will throw an error. So now I will pass the 11. In real time we will face this type of issues, guys, so that's why I'm highlighting these issues to understand you guys. See, after gopi we have null value is there, but that index got removed, right? So in real time how we will use this function, I will explain you. So first what we will do, we will do the where contains with null values, null comma local bank array. So we will identify the null value indexes in this array. Yeah, any type issue will occur. I know any type issue because this is the list of variant. So now we will test with this which one, numbers. Okay, we have created another local variable, right? Numbers. So we will use this numbers. So there will be no typecast issue. So I will explain you to resolve that issue by you whenever you using the conversion functions. Now we can resolve that error. Line number 50, it is also not working. This value is considered as in a number in shit. Okay, guys, now what I will do is I will use the two uniform string function. Two uniform string we will use to convert the multiple values into a text values. Okay, I will explain you thoroughly for this function, you don't need to worry. See, now you have received the 5 and 6 indexes having the null values, right? See, 5 and 6 having the null values. So now, if it is not null, then only we will pass to the remove function. Remove of local bank numbers, comma, those indexes what we have identified, right? Those indexes we will remove from the numbers. This is how we will use the where contains. See, so without where contains, we can't able to identify the null values, guys. You know, we can identify, but it is a long process. By using the where contains, you can simply identify that indexes, and we have removed from our numbers, and then we have printed only the 1 2 3 1 2 4 5 values without having null values. You know, you got it, guys, or else you want me to re-explain this again? How do I identify the indexes and removed? Pranalish, Manzoor.
Yeah. Can you explain me this remove once? I'm sorry.
Yeah, sure, sure. See, remove function mainly used to remove the elements from an existing array, you know? So these are the existing array of values, right? So I have the 11 items, right? 11 items in the local bank array. In the 11 items array, okay. In the 11 items, I don't want to include null values as well. Here, null values also there, right? See, null values also there. So I don't want to have the null values to be print while printing the local bank array. So what I will need to use, I need to use the remove function to the remove the null values. If I know 7 and 10, 7 and 11 having null values, then I can simply pass here 7 comma 11. Then it will remove those 7 comma 11 indexes, and then it will fetch only not null values indexes, not null value in values. Not null values only it will print. See? So if
Got
you
it.
don't know the indexes exactly, then we will use this where contains to identify the null value indexes. And then we will pass that null value indexes to the remove function. And then we will remove those indexes and we will print the expected array without having the null values. Why? Because we will use this in the real time. Appian won't allow null values to be stored when the column type is a default not null. You got it? So at the time we will use this type of remove functions to remove the null values. I hope you are clear, right?
Yes.
Yeah, thank you. Then we'll move to the next one, reverse function. Reverse. This is very, very most asking question in the interview, guys. They will ask every time. They will provide your input name. So I want you to work on this task, guys. Reverse function, I will explain. You guys do the task. Reverse of your name. Name in the sense your name, not name keyword. Reverse of your name and print. Okay, name your Manzoor, right? Manzoor name, I want you to print reverse order. Pranali, I want you to reverse your name. Okay. So reverse function, what will it do? It reverse the existing array. Existing array in the sense local bank array is there, right? In the local bank array, first value is 100. So now when I reverse the local bank array, what will it do? It reverse the array and it will print the 100 as a last value. See? Now it is got reversed the array. Now I am asking you to reverse your string name. I am asking you to the string I want you to reverse. It will accept only array, but I want you to reverse your name with the single string. So work on that and let me know if you are not able to achieve this and we'll discuss on tomorrow, no issues. Where function. So where is also one of the most used function in the real time.
Bro,
Where
stop it.
function.
Bro, till stop. So till I think 5 minutes only there,
Okay.
the meeting. So Pranali and Sheikh. So till now, do you have any questions or yesterday's sessions? Do you have any questions?
Yeah. While practicing, you are facing any issues, you can share your screen and you can ask. No issues.
As of now, nothing from my end.
Pranali,
No
you?
doubt. Actually, I was doing
Yeah,
hands-on.
nothing from my end.
Okay.
Once I will do the hands-on, I will.
Mm.
Yeah, guys,
So,
mainly,
mm.
yeah, no, you continue.
So, Sheikh, so once we confirm, right? So I will share this link with you. Okay. We can see daily tasks. Okay. So
Yeah,
each
sure.
day, yeah, we are going to share preparing the some task for you daily basis. So we are going to share. Okay, Pranali, have you practicing this difference between length? These are all these things. Have you gone through groups?
Yes, yeah. The indexing for the yesterday's lecture, we discuss about the function that I have, the groups and all.
Mhm.
So, guys, mainly I will focus on hands-on only, guys. How much you know, how much you don't know, I'm not care about it. How much hands-on you will get by this end of this course, I want you to know. That's why. You got it? Knowing Appian